Hi, it's Scott from Invictus Active. We've got a Quickie Helium. I'm going to run through some of the different options that the customer's gone for, including the fold down push handles. We've got the black dots on the frame. So we'll just run through them all and then give you a good idea when you get a Quickie Helium what options are available. Okay, as you can see here, very lightly, you've got the black frame dots. These are available in different colours and it runs down the front tube of the frame. Okay, so it's got a foldable backrest and that works by you pulling this lever which disengages it and then it folds forward. As you can see, it runs in the runner of the side guard and folds right compact forward. Yeah. So with the angle adjustable backrest, you can adjust the angle of the backrest in future by altering the bracket that's underneath the chair. So this enables you to alter the pitch and the angle of the backrest. The aluminium side guards with the fender, and on the inside is like a padded area so that when you're sitting against it, your hips are against the padded side, both sides. Fold down push handles, as you can see they're very compact when they're not in use. To use them you literally just lift it up and they lock straight into place, and then to put them back down you just press the little button that's underneath and literally they just fold straight back into place. Okay, this is the standard Exo Backrest. It's got like a foam, it's almost like a wetsuity material, very soft and padded, and it comes with a built-in bag, so you've got the zip bag at the back, which is ideal to keep things in. It's got the rib effect, so it's very comfortable when you're sitting on it, and to feel it's like a soft, spongy material. This chair's got a 3 cm inset, and how that works is this tube that is the seat then comes in, so this is inset 3 cm, and that makes the front of the chair a lot more compact and follows the contour of your legs. Okay, the angle of the frame of this chair is 92 degrees, so as you can see it follows down and is very compact. There are different options on how much you want to bring in the front tube, and this particular chair is a 92 degree. Okay, these are the compact push to lock brakes, so literally you do this with your thumb when you're sitting in the chair and they just come forward and lock straight into position, and then to undo them you just do that and they're straight underneath the chair, and very compact.